Hello everyone. I was recently trying to write a simple C++ program on my macOS when I encountered an error. When I tried adding #include bit/stdc++.h header files, it threw me an error. So in this video, I have replicated the error and I'll help you all resolve it in 6 simple steps on my macOS, and I hope it helps you all. So here, as you all can see that when I added #include bit/stdc++.h header files, it threw me an error that states that #include errors detected. Please update your include path. So here, basically the problem is that I have specified a path for it to look up standard C++ libraries, but it might not be able to detect those libraries in the specified paths. So we will have to update that include path, and that's how we will proceed forward. So for step 1, we will go to our terminal and we will type this command cpp space -v. So this will help us get the path for include files. And then we will specifically select this path as stated here, library/developer/command line tools/user/include, as this will take us to the include directory where standard header files for C++ are located. So for the second step, we will go to the specified location where the include files are located with the help of the path we just extracted on our terminal. So for that, the command will be cd space and the path that we just extracted for the include files. So once we are inside the include directory, the third step is to create a directory inside of include called bits. So what we're trying to do here is basically that our goal is to create a file called stdc++.h inside bits directory, which will contain all the precompiled headers which we will be using for our C++ program. So now we will run this command called sudo mkdir bits inside of include directory. So what that will do is basically create a directory called bits inside of include directory. And now I will just quickly enter the password. Let's run this command now to see that a directory called bits is created. So for a fourth step, we will run this command called sudo space vim space stdc++.h. What it will do is basically open up a file named stdc++.h in vim editor, where we can copy paste all the precompiled headers that we have, and I will paste them from the link that I have, and that link I'll also paste in the description below for you guys to refer to and copy paste from there. So for the step 5, you all can just copy paste the contents of the file in the description below called stdc++.h, where all the precompiled headers are available. So once we've copied all the contents and made the changes on the vim editor to the stdc++.h file, we can just simply quit the vim editor by running this command called :wq, that basically stands for : write and quit the vim editor, and it will save all our changes that we made to this stdc++.h file. So now we'll just quickly do an ls to see that our file has been created, and yeah, it has. So for our last step, that is step number 6, we can just quit and reopen our program on Visual Studio Code, and as you all can see, the error is gone, and we'll just now quickly run the program on Visual Studio Code, and yeah, it's printing hello world correctly. So that means that we were able to run our program successfully and finally remove the #include bit/stdc++.h error. Thank you.